Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can perform the hard reset of your JBL Wave Flex buds. So to do this, you have to be connected with the JBL headphones application and your buds, and then simply select them from the list. And right now you have to scroll down all the way down and find this option, support. Right now, to perform the reset, you have to click to reset to the factory settings and then confirm by tapping the reset button. And after that, you will perform the reset, your buds will turn off, and after like 5 or 10 seconds, you can just simply put them back to your charging case. Then close this case, and after a few moments just open it, and they will be set up to the pairing mode. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.